Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Melody Sarmiento. I'm 45 years old. I live at Tacligan, San Teodoro, Oriental, Mindoro. I am married. I have 4 kids and I'm high school graduate.
Okay, Melody, do you have any experience working abroad or in the Philippines as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have work experience as domestic helper for 2 years in Qatar and 2 years for Saudi Arabia.
Okay. What are your reasons why would you like to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to earn more money for my education of my children and to give her all her needs.
Okay. What will you do if the baby cries at midnight?
I will check the baby if hungry, then I will give her milk. And second, I will check the diaper is full, then I will change. Third, I will check the body temperature of the baby.
Okay. What will you do if the baby has a fever?
I will check the body temperature of the baby using the thermometer and I immediately tell to my employer.
Okay. How will you assist the child when crossing the street, and what is the proper way?
I will hold the hands of the child and then I will check the traffic sign. Then I will go the pedestrian lane.
Okay. What will you do if you found money or jewelry while cleaning the master's bedroom?
I will tell immediately to my employer and then I will tell where I put the money and jewelry.
Okay. What will you do if you cannot understand the instructions of your employer?
I will tell my employer to explain it again.
Okay. If your employer is not around, will you allow your relatives or friends inside the house?
No, because that is my employer's privacy.
Okay. What will you do if the house is on fire and you are with the child?
I will bring the children outside the house and I will call the fire station. Then I will call immediately to my employer.
Okay. What if you burnt an expensive dress of your employer while ironing? Will you tell it to your employer?
Yes, I will tell my employer and tell sorry for what I've done and then I will promise I will not do that again.
Okay. Are you willing to extend your contract if your employer requested you?
Yes, I will extend my contract if my employer told me.
Okay. What is the messages or promises to your future employer?
Ma'am, sir, if you hire me as your domestic helper, I will promise to you that I do everything good in your house and love your children and do all what you tell to me. Thank you, ma'am and sir, and hope you see you in Hong Kong.